Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to set up and use the easy distilled water filter system in this video. This innovative product turns tap water into distilled water for your CPAP humidifier instantly. Before starting, make sure to unwrap the filter and soak it in cool tap water for 15 minutes. Then, unscrew the red cap from the bottom of the bottle and place the filter in wide end down. Put the red cap back on and the steady drip interface over a tall glass. Once properly placed, take off the white cap at the top of the bottle and fill it with tap water. Immediately reattach the white cap and water will instantly start going through the filter. Within 5 to 7 minutes, the entire process of turning tap water into ion distilled water will be complete. Remove the bottle from your glass and empty the now distilled water in your CPAP humidifier. Connect your humidifier and machine, and you are all set. Another option is to place your water filter system directly on top of your humidifier, skipping the step of using a glass. Like the glass cup method, make sure the filter is installed and the interface is on top of your humidifier chamber. Unscrew the white cap and pour your tap water into the bottle. Don't forget to reattach the cap. The filtered water will now drip directly into your humidifier chamber. Remove the distilled water filter system from the top of your humidifier, close it, and insert it into your CPAP machine. Your humidifier is now ready for use, with distilled water in it. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please call our team at 866-414-9700. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.